Good morning, good morning, good morning, Facebook. Courtney Truman Steamers. Today is February the 18th. I'm on my one and only job of today. This job right here, she seen me in the neighborhood last week, and she asked me to come down and give her an estimate on her carpets and also her tile and grout floors, which I'm going to be cleaning today. Guys, just by looking at these carpets, I'm going to tell you right now, they are going to look amazing after I'm done cleaning. She was thinking about replacing the carpets, but she said, it was a little pricey. So the other option that, customers have is cleaning, which is, and to be honest, sometimes it's a great option because a lot of people don't think the carpets can be cleaned or restored, but you'll really be surprised when you hire the right company like Truman Steamers and show you what we can do. We got this one right here. Now we do have some, that is a furniture stain, which I did explain to her that's not going to come out. But we got this one right here. We got this one right here. And we're just going around the furniture. I want to see how heavy that is. I might pick that up and put it on the bed if she wants me to. This is the tile and grout in the kitchen that I'm also going to be cleaning. Let you guys see this while I'm cleaning. Yes, Miss Goodwin. Also, can you turn on this light for me? Oh, yeah. Thank you so much. So we're going to be, so you can see the tile and grout. That's better. Thank you so much. And also this room right here. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the pre-treating. Pre-treat the carpets down, let it dwell, and then extract, show you guys some of the results, and then come back and show you the tile and grout cleaning results as well. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, doing the first room. As you can see how clean these carpets are cleaning up. All right, guys, I am on the tile and grout. You see that? Yeah. Look at that. Yep. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna tell you another thing too. While the grout lines are so impacted, a lot of people don't realize when you mop your floors, the grout is porcelain. So when you're mopping your floor, you're just basically pushing all that dirt in the grout lines. Yeah. No, it's not. All right, guys, these carpets and the tile and grout came out so good. Customers very satisfied. As you can see, when I was cleaning, how much soil was being removed from the fibers. And also look at the tile and grout. We're also going to seal the tile and grout as well, so I got my sealant to show you guys the difference in the tile and grout. Looks so much better, and when they fully dry, you can see the true difference in the grout lines. But again, these grouts have been here since she's lived here, and you can just see it's two different colors. That is a totally different color. So you can see right here where it's fully drying, the difference in it. And then right there is still wet. So a lot of times when you get your tile and grouts clean, when they're still wet, a lot of people think they're still dirty, but they're actually not. And again, when they fully dry, just like this, because I started over here first, you'll be able to see the difference in the grout lines, and it is a big difference. And they also did the same thing over here as well, two different colors. So if you look at it, you would think that that is still dirty, but it's actually not, just two different colors. All right, guys, so I'll show you the bedrooms. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply the sealant. I'm not gonna open this door because the cat is in there. We got that room right there. And then also the masters, which came out amazing. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today. Go ahead and apply the protection to the Talon Rock floors, and I'll see you in the next one.